Hello and welcome to the Great Garment Graphics video training series. This session will be talking about changing the time, temperature, and pressure settings on a Hotronics swinger. This is the swinger by Stahl's Hotronics. A big advantage with the Hotronics machines is that we get a digital readout for our temperature, our time, as well as our pressure. So as we move from transfer product to transfer product and garment to garment, we have no guesswork when it comes to our heat seal settings. The large 16" by 20 area allows me to print a name and a number on uniforms such as this all in one step. I don't have to break that up into two steps, so it's a great production press. And again, with that heat-free work environment, we can position our garments and our graphics and make sure that everything is going to be applied properly in a straight position. So we're going to zoom in here on the machine and take a look at our settings. Now this particular press is set for 330 degrees in 8 seconds. And every time I lock that down, the timer is going to start from that 8 second and count down to 0. The buzzer is going to go off and it will tell me actually to lift the lever. The first setting that we're going to change on our press is the temperature. So we hold down the temperature key in the upper right corner and punch in 3, 6, and 5 for our new transfer product. Once we hit enter, our readout is going to change and it's going to heat up from 330 degrees up to 365. The next one down is the timer. We're going to hold that for 2 seconds and release and program in 0, 0, and 5. So now our timer is going to start from 5 seconds every time we lock it into place. And that's not going to change until we manually go in and change that timer setting. And the third key down is one of the most important ones, and that's the pressure. Now, as soon as we lock the machine into place, we're going to get a readout. We can manually adjust the pressure with the knob in the center of the press and lock the machine into place. The number on the right is what the actual pressure is at. This transfer product we're going to apply at a medium pressure, so we want to be at a number 5. Your temperature, time, and pressure, again, all digitally read out for you, and no guesswork with the Hotronics press. Be sure to check back with Great Garment Graphics for more in our training video series.